For a while after my baby, I actually dreaded taking him to a restaurant because the image in my mind was one of spit up, spoons flying left, right, and center, and uncles at nearby tables staring and glaring at us. But as time passed, I realized that restaurant outings with your baby don't have to be as overwhelming as they seem. Hi everyone, I'm Akshita and welcome back to my channel Mama Avocado Toast, a space where we discuss work, life, motherhood and everything in between. Today I'm talking about something which every parent probably wants to do but feels a little scared of, taking your little one to a restaurant to eat with you. While it may seem a little overwhelming, I can promise you it doesn't have to be. With a few tips, you can actually go out and enjoy the outing. And the one thing that I learned with my little one is that time flies so quickly. Very soon, these are the little memories you're going to look back on and cherish. So let's dive right in. I would advise you when you're eating out with your baby is something I learned the hard way too. Prep is everything. Restaurant visits can no longer be those spontaneous trips where 1 minute you're sitting at home and next minute you're like, hey, let's go out to eat. You will have to do a little bit of preparation beforehand to ensure that your outing is a breeze. So in your baby's diaper bag, carry these things and I promise you, you'll thank me later. First, an extra set of clothes, not just for the baby, but also for you, just in case the baby is a little extra messy. Carry some extra wipes, diapers, sanitizer, or anything that helps you stay clean. Baby's toys, teethers, crayons, anything that can help them stay engaged and distracted. Carry some snacks, puree pouches, finger food, because I've learned that you can't always rely on restaurant food. Carry your breastfeeding basics in case you need to feed during your meal. And finally, in case the place that you're going to doesn't have high chair service or you're not sure, you can also consider carrying a portable high chair. The next thing that I would advise you is that choose the right restaurant. Essentially, look at choosing a restaurant or a cafe that's baby friendly, where you have high chair service, where you have the place to park a stroller, somewhere where it's not too noisy, somewhere where the staff is used to having children. I think a lot of times on Zomato and Google, they will have family friendly filters. So that's your sign to understand that yes, this is a place I can be taking my baby to. You can call them beforehand to check if they have a high chair facility. Also, I think another thing you should keep in mind is the timing. Avoid peak hours because sometimes when it's really crowded and it's really noisy, babies tend to get very uncomfortable and they actually tend to get a lot more cranky. So the best thing to do is to perhaps go at a time that's either before or after the peak hours. So now that you've packed your baby stuff and you've chosen the restaurant that you're going to go to, these are a few things that you can do while you're at the restaurant. The one thing I would highly recommend is to look up the menu beforehand, not just to decide what you're going to be having, but also to see if they have any baby-friendly options in the menu. This will help you save up on time because you're not going to be spending a lot of time deciding what you're going to be eating. Also, what I've realized is that even if the restaurant doesn't have baby-friendly options listed on the menu, a lot of times staff can bring something out of the kitchen which your baby can enjoy. So I remember I would usually order eggs, boiled eggs, or steamed veggies, or mashed potato, or some soup without salt. But at the same time, it's best to carry some food from home just in case the restaurant can't cater to your request, or maybe if the baby doesn't like what they're being served. What really helped me is carrying my baby's utensils from home, their bowl, their cup, their spoon, essentially whatever they're used to eating out of daily, because this brings in an element of familiarity. And sometimes also the restaurant cutlery is made of porcelain and glass or maybe sharp steel, so you don't want the baby either breaking them or getting injured. What I realized works very well is that as soon as you're at the restaurant, the first thing you should do is settle the baby in with their toys and maybe some finger food. This helps them get comfortable really quickly and they're less likely to get cranky. In case they do get cranky and they do have a meltdown, a quick tip that works is that just pick them up in your arms or in the stroller and take them around for a walk. This usually helps them settle down. If there are any diaper emergencies, because babies love to surprise us, what you can do is have an idea of where the nearest changing station is beforehand and have an emergency kit. But The most important tip that I would tell you is that once you're at the restaurant, once you've decided what you're going to eat, once your baby is settled in, what you need to do is take a deep breath and enjoy your meal. You know, this is not about the perfect outing, this is about having fun and making memories. I can promise you that every time you go out, there will be people who will be giving you looks and stares, especially if your baby starts crying. But it's not your job to satisfy everyone. At some point, you do have to learn to block out the noise and enjoy your time with your baby. Play little games with them, play peekaboo with them, keep talking to them, because these are memories that you're going to cherish, I promise you. So, like I've said earlier, taking your baby out to eat in a restaurant isn't about having the perfect meal, it's about enjoying those little moments. And most importantly, it's not just for the baby, it's also for you as the mom. If there are any restaurants that you've been missing out on because perhaps you couldn't eat that sushi while you were pregnant, or perhaps you haven't been going out because you've been at home, don't let your baby hold yourself back. Go out, enjoy that biryani, eat that dessert, go to your favorite cafe and reconnect. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to create more videos on. Till then, keep glowing, keep growing. From the bump to the boardroom, I've got you covered.